Overlays are a convenient way to link to menus, videos, or additional content that doesn't need an entire page on its own. To create an overlay in the design tool of your choice, right now I am using Sketch. I've created a menu overlay that's a little bit smaller than a regular page because I want it to give that pop-up effect. Once I'm done creating that asset and including the information that I need, export it and then upload it into your tiled builder. Once your asset is uploaded into Tiled, click on this plus sign on the top left corner to add a new page. From here, quickly name your page and then drag your asset onto that page. From here, you will situate the asset to be in whatever area you want that menu to pop up. And then on the right side, you're going to choose the role to be an overlay. You have the option right here to choose a different background color. From here, I'm just going to switch it to a light gray, so I'm going to go to 80. And then I am also going to add different hotspots going down my overlay to link me to the different pages. So from here, I'm going to resize my hotspot and then select targets as I go down. Now, when they click this top area, I want them to be able to exit out of the menu. So that first target is going to be previous page or back. Then I will click on this plus sign as I go down to add the different hotspots. Once all of those hotspots are added, I will go back to the beginning of my micro app. And in that top right corner where I have the menu icon, I will drag a hotspot tile right on top and then link it to my menu overlay, which is at the bottom below all of my pages. Now, to see how this looks, you can click on this eye icon in the top right corner. Click on the menu, the overlay will pop up, and you can go down to different sections of your micro app. Be sure to reach out to us at help@tiled.co if you have any more questions about overlays.